AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA especially is as of now at $0. Or so they for the most part thought. AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $0, really in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP records in every way that really matters. Descending development today, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified some pressing issues. What basically is momentary cost expectation for AMP? In a real sense, is AMP a kind of wise speculation, which basically is very critical. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. However, prior to jumping sort of profound into the AMP specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which most certainly is very huge, market examination over the very last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197 in an unobtrusive manner. The essentially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $18,932,172,992, which fundamentally shows that AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially huge manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%. Genuinely further appearance how AMP keeps descending development today in a sort of large manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.51% coming to $1,730.34 during the past 24 hours. So yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the extremely current economic situations, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.05, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span. Fundamentally further appearance how the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Clarified some things. What in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for AMP? Basically is AMP an especially wise speculation, which truly is very critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 1.07 and is of now exchanging at 49 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an especially descending heading for commonly momentary in a significant manner. Right now, an extremely broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a sort of descending course for most certainly present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any all things considered, further in a very large way. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers especially move fundamentally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,455.17 level after a decay of 0.32%. Exceptionally further appearance how AMP records in every practical sense descending development today in an essentially significant way. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $0, down 2.27% in every practical sense. Recent hours and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, exhibiting that AMP sort of countenances medium-term opposition at $0, which especially is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is $5,028,737.00 while really complete market cap came to $206,066,187 There basically are practically 42,227,702,186 basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in a fundamentally enormous manner. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside a very everyday time period generally made sense of beneath, showing how there especially are practically 42,227,702,186 generally are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which especially is very huge. We utilize certainly relative strength index, moving truly normal assembly and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving kind of normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to really investigate the future development of the AMP, or so they generally thought. While AMP's Williams % R pointer really is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign for the most part is fundamentally conceivable at this reach in an essentially significant manner. The MACD line certainly is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid. So there truly are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in an especially large manner. AMP financial backers need to by and large sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday outline, showing how AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The amount by and large is at present at $0 in especially significant manner. The principal support level for AMP basically is at $0. The subsequent one in a real sense is at $0, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,069,183,910,197 in a quite large manner. While taking about obstruction, the AMP basically has R1 and R2 at $0, which truly shows that AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for the 18th of June 2023 inside a kind of everyday time period truly made sense of underneath, showing how there truly are practically 42,227,702,186 basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in an unobtrusive manner. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 45 and is attempting to in a real sense break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which generally shows that the main help level for AMP sort of is at $0. The truly second one in a real sense is at $0, showing how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,069,183,910,197, which truly is genuinely critical. And AMP sort of is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to in a real sense suggest that the cryptographic money fundamentally is in an unsafe circumstance that can't essentially be redressed in an unobtrusive manner. Regardless of whether the cost truly is falling consistently, it for the most part is guessed that the two help levels will truly act areas of strength